Hey Colby, it's Mr. Y, obviously. I'm going to play the bottom part, the trombone 2 part for the gavotte, just to kind of show you what it sounds like, going through and pointing out any weird things that happen. For you, you have a lot of A naturals. Now remember, that's going to be second position. There are also some E naturals, which are also second. In the song, you have B flat, of course, but not E flat or A flat. So make sure those A's and the E's are all in second position. I was just saying to Matt on the other video, make sure you learn it right the first time. Don't try to play it too fast at first and mess some of those notes up and get it kind of learned wrong first. You want to play it really slow at first. I'm talking super slow motion, like to get them really, really good first, to make sure you get all the right notes. Give your brain a time to give your brain a chance to think about it when you first play it. Then you can worry about getting it faster. I think eventually what I want to shoot for here is about 100 beats a minute, which is this right here. Okay. Now, as you can see, you don't start at the same time Matt starts. I'm going to count to get myself started here. I'm going to count 1, 2. Then Matt would come in on 3 and 4 and you would come in on the next one, the next measure. I'm just going to play your part, like I said, go through and do this. Again, lots of E naturals. There are some slurs here that you have to worry about. For the most part, they're naturals, they're artificial slurs, so you do have to put a little tongue in. For instance, sorry, let me stop this. There we go. So for instance, I don't know, just on the first slur you have, the A up to C. That one is actually a natural one with your trigger. That's not that big a deal. When you get to the second one, the F to E in the very first measure there too, your slide is moving down and your note's moving down too. So you're going to want to put a little tongue in there, just a little bit of a legato tongue. As opposed to, you don't want the glissando, you want the slur. With the trigger, actually your slurs I think are going to be a little easier than Matt's are. Matt doesn't get to use the trigger very much, for the slurs at least. Once in a while, but nothing serious. Okay, so like I said, at the beginning I'm going to count us in. I'm going to go 1, 2. Matt would come in on 3 and 4, and then you would come in on the 1 in the next measure. And again, this is 100 beats a minute. You don't want to do it this fast at first, but this is what we're shooting for here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Obviously not playing the repeat there, which you guys will want to do, of course. I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class, of course. I will try to arrange a time when all three of us can get together again in a couple of weeks after you guys have had a chance to practice this, of course, and get it really good. I'm going to also attempt to put myself on YouTube playing this recording and the other one synced up so that they sound good together. I'm going to try to figure out how to play a duet with myself. We'll see if I'm technologically capable of that or not. You'll find out in the next couple of days if you find it on YouTube or not. All right, good luck with it, Colby.